Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. We have a video for Luxie Nail today. Luxie Nail has released a new product. It's super cool, called Holo and Lustre Dust. These are different kinds of pigments that you can use for nail art, for full nail designs, for ombres, with each other or over a gel polish. There's just so much you can do with these. So let's hang out and see how you can use these. Watch the screen for more in-depth instructions. I already kind of filmed this beforehand and just figured that I would make it longer form. So if people really had any questions or if they needed to see the process in detail, you can leave a comment and I will be happy to answer or make a follow-up video if there's something you want to see even more of. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw today. Thank you for watching. Bye!